Click on the text, and at the top, click on Advanced Settings. You can choose where to anchor your text box. So if I choose the first option, Anchor Start, anytime you add text, the top part will not move. If I go back and I do Anchor Middle, if I add text, then you notice that the top and the bottom both move. And finally, if I anchor End, and if I add text, only the top part moves. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.